Hello friends, this is me Shashank Shekhar. I'm a law student at Jamia Millia Islamia. I'm in the fourth year of my law degree. Today I'm here to tell you about the kind of difficulty I faced while landed up taking my decision to join law as a career, and how I'm enjoying this like 5-year degree course in my college, and what are my future plans, and what are the prospective areas people can think about when they are even imagining or thinking about taking law as a career option. So, first of all, I request you all to subscribe to the and like, share, and comment on the channel Law Made Easy by Advocate Drishti, who asked me to make this video so to help you all. So the first question which has been asked by me is simply elucidate your legal journey. So basically, my schooling is from a semi-English medium, I would say, not a convent school. I studied in a English medium school, but not like a convent. It is located in Nevada. My school name is Modern English School, Nevada, located in Bihar. So we have a minimal kind of exposure over there. Mostly students think about going into uh, either engineering or medical. But my father is a lawyer. I'm going to be a second generation lawyer, and he also helped me to figure out why you want to do law and all. So that I will deal in upcoming sections. So after 10th, I as the most of the people do, I also went for engineering to try my luck in IITs, and with God's grace I failed that exam. I don't know, I should say with God's grace or what, but I failed that examination. And then I there was a 1 month gap between my after I failed my IITs and there was nothing in my hand. Then I thought ki why don't law, like most of the people while I was in school or even in the coaching for the IITs, I am being asked that you have a good speaking quality, and you have a better legal understanding as well, because sometimes I enjoy legal understanding and all talks and all. So they asked me to why don't you join National Law University, because in 2008 CLAT was introduced at that time, uh, and making law, giving law really a very big career opening in India. Although the national law universities have established after the inception of National Law University of India, Bangalore in 1988, but it globalized since CLAT come into inception. So my legal journey is that I just graduated my class 10th from a small and very small school, and then I took my given my class 12th boards from Bihar Secondary Examination Board, Patna. That is again not a that is again in a Hindi medium. And then I decided, after 12th, I decided I should go for law. And the first problem which I faced while preparing for law examination is the language. That is English. Yes. So English is something one should say ki it is the mother of CLAT examination or any law entrance examination in India, because because in any examination, any entrance test, they are going to test you what they are going to teach you in the university or the college. So the basic requirement of a lawyer or somebody who is well acquainted with the law is that he knows the language, because each and every textbook, everything, every reading material available in law is in the English language, and one needs to be really very fluent, very precise, very like somebody who reads a lot kind of student for their university. So this is the requirement. And I truly say कि I was pathetic in English at that time. I even took 4 hours to even read the whole the Hindu, the the kind of reader I was at that time. So after 1 year of preparation at one of the coaching institute in Lucknow, I felt uh, I made for CLAT, but I really didn't get uh, uh, the kind of college which I was seeking, and I also want a place like Delhi, Mumbai, or some good place where I can go for a better internships and all. So eventually, I decided to come to Jamia, uh, mm, and now I feel ki it is one of the best college in India for the legal education. Now, coming on to the second question. Yeah. So now about the life in the law university. I must tell you, I just give you a glimpse of what exactly the life is in the law university. Like a kid who is just 12th grader, he think he have seen all faces of humanity and all, land up in a college with a lot of enthusiasm and many things in his heart with all the ambition and everything. When you come to the law university, you see a very different kind of environment over here. You see people are rushing for the reading materials. People are like running for the moods. They are like there is a hell lot of competitions among the students for the research papers and many more things. Uh, so it is the lower school in generally the traditional courses. What happens? The people are more focused about about the academics. But in law courses, as it is a professional course, one need to focus mostly on extracurricular activities. You have to balance extracurricular activities, you have to balance your academics, you have to do moods, you have to write research papers, you have to do different kind of competitions and all to make your better CV for like better kind of jobs in the future. So that is that. Mhm. While studying here in Delhi in India's top university, I felt that someday I wish to like through judicial intervention, you know, when people say ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, government is there to do everything, and a child of 20 years or 18 years don't find any way to penetrate how a decision of a government is wrong, and I don't relate to that. How can I change that and all? Judiciary gives you the way. The Indian judiciary system, Indian judicial systems, especially if your fundamental rights get violated, you can directly go to the Honorable Supreme Court under 32 or Article 32, or High Court under Article 226. You can file a PIL if you really think that a change needs to be there. If something is anti-constitutional, you can challenge in the court of law and can like uh, change the status quo of the society through your single understanding. And this is the real power of law. And the question has been asked by me, how can you change uh, 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 how will you help India? So this is my dream to someday, if I studied like everything went good in my life, I really wish to change the status quo of something, like the kind of policies governments are coming in with, and people are not even challenging the same. uh, the kind of laws they are making are also very I really I'm worried about it. But like if I talk about CA, Citizenship Amendment Act itself, there are a hell lot of questions been asked by the people who are protesting against the act. Even there is a petition pending in the Supreme Court of India right now about its constitutional validity of the said act. So I wish to help India by being a better lawyer, by giving back to the society. Because if I was studying in a national law university, I would have been paying uh, at least 10 lakh rupees in 5 years for the law degree. At least 10 lakh rupees, 2 years per annum at least. And now I'm studying in a public funded central university, Jamia Millia Islamia, and you don't believe I just have to pay 50,000 for the 5 year, 50,000 rupees for 5 year, 10,000 per annum. And this is the best thing about this university, that even at the minimal cost, they give you the best. And any student who have any middle class, I would say, precisely any middle class who have spent 10 lakh rupees uh, for a legal education needs some return from it, and their parents also seek some return from the investment they have made. It's a brutal truth, I would say. And when you're and they cannot give back to the society as much as they are capable of, because they have also some burden on themselves, because they if they have taken some loan from somewhere to for their tuition fees and all, they have to first go for the corporate jobs or for litigation or anything where they can get money. And the kind of debt they have on their like on them, they need to get out of that. The privilege I get, and many of the students who are studying in the public university, public funded universities like Delhi University or the BHU or the Jamia or the Allahabad University or many central university or many universities like GLC, Mumbai, they have the opportunity to give back to the society. They have the opportunity. So with this, I guess I'm done with the questions which has been asked to me. Yeah. So yeah, this is me. So the problems which has been asked to me again and again, the problem is basically uh, is about the language problem which I faced, because I was not at all good in English. I was able to understand what somebody is speaking of, but I'm not able to articulate my thoughts. I might have a good thought on anything which has been discussed in the class, which is going to be discussed in the class, but I'm not able to speak anything. I'm not able to uh, uh, like uh, share my thoughts, and that great a, a, a pathetic feeling inside me, and it moved me. I read a lot of newspaper, I read a lot of materials, and I really improved it. Not to the up to the mark of the other convent students who are rigorously studying for the last 4 5 years, but yeah, I have improved from the place I was and where I am. With this, I in this video, I hope you this video might have helped you in some degree or some manner while taking your decisions to land up in a law university or take law as a career. Uh, that's it. Thank you and stay tuned.